Good morning, children. This is Santvana ma'am, and we will study today in our workbook of EVS, chapter number 2, the plant fairy. So, first question is MCQ. You all know this, and it is very easy also. Many of the children you have completed also. So, we will study today our workbook session. The first question is, which game did the children play in the garden? See, we are saying chupan chupai, but in English we will say it hide and seek. The correct answer will be the B, hide and seek. Second, which plant did the girl touch accordingly to the instruction of the plant fairy? So which one is the, you have seen the chapter, you have learned the read the chapter or not? It is, the answer will be marigold and jasmine. The right answer is marigold and jasmine. Third question, where did Didi sit in the garden? On the grass. You know that it is on the grass. Which of the following tree has the thickest trunk? Trunk means the stem. Okay. In plant we are tell that stem, but in trees we will say it trunk. Okay. The banyan. Answer is the banyan. Fifth question. Which of the following plant is not seen in garden? Rose, oh, we can see wheat. Yes, the answer is wheat. Mehendi plant is also seen, and pricky wills also we can see. But wheat plant is always seen in the farming only, not in the garden. Sixth one, the trunk of which tree do we use a teeth cleaner? Okay, teeth cleaner means we can use the toothpaste also, or we can use the brush as a stem, as the branch, which is, yes, the answer will be the babool. Many of the people are using the neem tree also, but we will write here babool. Okay. The answer will be the C. Now come to the seventh. The leaves of which tree are used to make decorative granland? Granland, how we are saying that toran, right? On the head of the door we are applying that. So Ashoka leaf. The answer will be C, Ashoka leaf. Now eighth one, which plant is useful as a medicine? Answer will be the basil, tulsi, A answer. Now filling the blanks you have to write. Right, children? So option are not given because you come to in third standard, so you have to write by your own. The impression of a thing with a dash surface is easy to obtain. When the surface is smooth, you cannot take the print, you cannot take the photograph, you cannot take the Xerox one. But when the surface is rough, children, okay, then you can take the picture. So the surface should be rough, ROUGH, rough. Second one, design of flower leaves is seen more on dash spread on the bed. To cover the bed, what mummy is doing? She is applying the bed cover or bed sheet. Right, children? So the answer will be the bed sheet. BEDSHEETS. Children, you will not say double E, you will say EE. Then the third one, the tree whose leaves are small, thin, and have saw-like edge is the neem. Yes, the answer will be the neem. It is having the small, very small, and it is the edged also, not pointed, not like a needle. It is edged. Okay, children. Now we will continue in our next page, page number 16. When leaf of mint, the answer will be the mint, add to the tea, they gave us a good flavor. Yes, children. We are also using basil leaves. We are also using lemongrass so that our tea is made very tasty also and with very flavor also. So the answer will be mint. It is a green small herbs. Right, children? Plant like basil, privikint and bajra are known as bushes. They are known as bushes. B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. Sixth one, plants like banyan, neem, mango and acais are known as tree. They are tree. Right, children? You know, even you can draw also. You have seen also in your nearby area. The color of dash of the plant is green. Yes, children, always the leaves are green. But we can also see brown, yellowish, reddish or some pinkish, some also time pinkish or reddish color. But plants always having their leaves green only. Now the third question is, put a tick as true or false. Right, children? We will see it. First, the children played Amrapali in the garden. Means hide and seek they are playing. Right, children? No. So the answer will be wrong. The garden in which the children play the game of plant fairy has plant like neem, mehndi and jasmine. Yes, they are playing the game plant fairy, not the hide and seek, not that chupan chupai. Right, children? Third one, the trunk of a rose plant is thick. No, the rose plant is small and they are having the small stem, though they are not having the thick plant or the thick trunk. Okay, so answer will be the wrong. Next, the leaf of the peepal tree are small, thin and have saw-like edge. No, the peepal leaves are long. You can see there in the many temple also we can see the peepal plant. Parent used to give water on the peepal plant, right? Under that roots are there and they are making some puja ceremony also there. So the answer will be wrong. Fifth one, the impression of a smooth and a soft trunk, it is easy to take. No, children, I have already said you it is not easy. If the surface is rough, then only we can take the impression. Then only we can take the picture of that. Sixth one, the shape, color and the edges of every leaf is different. Yes, children. Different plant, different trees are having different kind of leaves. The leaves of the neem is bitter to taste. Yes, children, it is very bitter to taste. And you have completed here your filling the no, sorry, it is true false, true false. Now we will come in our page number next. Page number 17, there is also matching. Okay, the first one is the people leaf, the second one is neem, the third one is banyan, and the fourth one is mango. It is also similar look like Ashoka plant also leaf, but it is a mango plant leaf. So we will continue in our next session. Thank you, children.